Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're in any of my classes in Google Classroom, I ask you to take a screenshot of your project and turn it in when you're done. So, my friends, let me show you the way I'd like you to do that. No matter what project you're creating, if it's a Google Doc or something in Tinkercad, I want you to click down on the bottom of the window here and type SNI for Snipping Tool. When you click the Snipping Tool, you can pick between Snip and Sketch. I'm going to tell you to use the little Snipping Tool. Simply click on the word New, and then when you start dragging, it will hide, and you can select the piece that you care about. Then click the little Disk button so that you can save the snip. And then in the Quick Access, I'd like you to put it in the Download folder with the info you want after. So this file was my About Me file, so I can save it with that name. So then I can return to Classroom and I can turn it in. My favorite way to turn these in is to hit Add File and then click on the folder button at the very bottom. And remember, we put it in our Downloads folder, so I can grab that file and just drop it on the project. When you're done, hit Upload. And when it is uploaded, you can finally click that awesome Turn In button and turn it in so your project is finished. My friends, if this helped you at all, please get that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.